Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Etsy seller account for faster listings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your Etsy seller account for faster listings, start by logging into your Etsy account. Navigate to the Shop Manager section located at the top right corner of the page. In the Shop Manager menu, select Settings from the drop-down options. Next, click on Info and Appearance to access your account. Here, you will see the option to verify your account. Click on the Verify Your Account link. Etsy will prompt you to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Etsy. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to your Shop Manager. Now, you need to verify your payment information. Select the Payment Settings option from the Settings menu. Follow the instructions to add or confirm your bank account details. Ensure that your payment method is up to date. Next, verify your identity by providing the requested identification documents. Etsy may ask for a government-issued ID or a utility bill with your name and address. Upload the necessary documents through the system as instructed. After submitting your documents, check for confirmation from Etsy. The verification process may take a few days, so be patient. Once your account is fully verified, you will receive a notification. With your verified account, you can now list items faster. Remember to keep your account information current to maintain your verification status. Congratulations on taking the steps to verify your Etsy seller account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.